Hello YouTube, welcome back to another White Noise video with Fox Beer Wagner, Captain Rex, and Medium Meerkat. Medium Meerkat's not here right now, so please take a message after the beep. Beep! Yeah, he got molested by a taco. It was like... Yeah, alright, YouTube, I'm gonna pause this until he gets back. But this is like White Noise like number 7 or something.
It's cool.
Alright, welcome back, YouTube. We're back. I'm the blue guy because that's my character, Nathan. Be the black guy right there. Be him.
Okay.
Book the place. Alright, change the map.
Which one haven't we done? We haven't done Cheta.
We'll do Cheta.
That's the only one. That's the only one we haven't done, Chateau. Okay, we'll do Chateau then.
Yeah.
Here.
God damn, how many fucking dogs are there over here? Fucking scoot over. Right, Marley?
Yeah, do you scoot over for us? Yeah? I love you, Bubba.
Ow, get off my cut! Your claws sink into my very soul.
Oh, jeez.
Hey, Bubba. My name's Frank.
You're like right in my face.
My name's Frank.
Guys, turn around. Where am I?
Ditch him! Ditch him!
Surprise!
Surprise,
Wait,
motherfucker!
you scared me for a second. Wait, what? Surprise, motherfucker.
Stop licking my cut, you sadistic fucks! That burns. Ow! Ow! They're biting it! Now they're stepping on it! Ow!
I don't think I should upload this video. Two statues. There's usually something outside.
Dude, there's a dog in the TV. Get out of the... Yeah. I pushed...
Everybody wants. Oh, there's.
Teenage Mutant Ninja... I love you, guys, guys.
We must sacrifice
Guys.
Captain Rex.
Guys, I found the fucking... Fuck you guys, I'm gonna start going insane.
Wait, where's Captain?
Fucking bitch. Fuck you, Nathan. You stay in the back now, you asshole. Fuck you.
Language, we're all friends here.
Fuck! I'm sorry, YouTube. I'm sorry about this.
Dude, I'm gonna record your video. Yeah.
Shut the fuck up. You know you love them.
Me and him will both dislike him.
How-
I will dislike him in comments.
Oh, guys, look, there's a treehouse.
We need comments that say worst YouTuber ever. Oh my god. Hey, look, there's a face.
Yeah, there are. Yeah, there are.
Look, it's on the face. Look all over the face. Oh, right there, right there.
I want to pick it up. I need to get tape recorders, you asshole.
No, dude, no. It counts for everyone. You don't have to pick it up. Yes, it does. How did I unlock a new guy? I didn't grab any and I unlocked a new guy.
Maybe Jesus was feeling like fucking thing. Like, hey, yo, girl, you want this?
Same thing happened with Ethan.
Jesus, take the wheel.
Oh, no.
Yeah, there are. Yeah, there are. Do it. Yeah, there are. I love you, Daddy.
Talk to him about Jesus Christ, our Lord and Savior.
No, don't kill yourself.
Oh,
I'm not an idiot.
we don't kill
Oh
ourselves.
my god, Captain's dead.
We don't kill ourselves.
He's right there. He's getting closer and closer. Do not turn around.
Yeah, I know, I'm trying to look around.
What are you talking about? He's just behind that tree.
Go to his body. Go to his body.
I'm looking for
Dude,
some Kool-Aid.
That just random ass owl in the background going.
Oh, there's another one.
Can I grab it, please?
Is it just me or does these like statues get you hard? Hey, look, you gotta go in the stream. Yeah, I can do the moonwalk.
Jesus actually get you hard.
He's acting
Hey,
at you.
Look around the hat.
Hey, I
Look
found,
around the hands, dude.
dude, I found the hand of ultimate masturbation.
Oh my god.
Oh god, he's right next to the pickle. He's next to the pickle.
Oh yeah, I saw him.
Dude, high five, bro. High five. I can't jump and give it.
It, bro.
High
Dude,
fives.
Captain.
Wait. You see these two
Oh my
hands right
God.
there? It looks like they're giving each other a high five. Look at those two hands. They're gonna give each other a high
Look
five.
at the pickle.
Where?
I can't look. There's a demon. There's a Satan.
There are. Dude. Come on. There are. I love you.
Oh my god! What the? What the fuck? Dude, that
Hey,
even.
I found the way out. I found the way out. I found the way out of the map.
Hug me, Captain. Come here, hug me. I've never escaped before, ever.
Dude,
I
that.
played Five Nights at Freddy's, but that was pretty scary.
Dude, that actually scared the shit out of me, and that fucking happened to you.
What happened?
I got killed.
Like his character
Yeah, but-
literally just like turned around right in front of me, and fucking died. Give me a kiss.
Wait, there's one in there. Yeah, right now. Whoa! Did you see it? Captain, did you catch him jumping?
Yeah.
I'm Jesus.
Dude, I'm gonna watch that on your YouTube channel. That was funny. He just went up in the air, like 15 feet.
I'm Jesus Christ.
No, you're not gonna watch there.
He's fucking Fonzie.
Hey,
I figured out who he is. He's the Fonz. Hey.
hey.
Oh my god,
Are you
dude.
talking
Wait,
about
Fox. Look at this. It looks like two balls and a giant dick. Who puts that in a game?
Oh my god. Wow.
Who puts that there?
Dude, that
No wonder why you only have 15 subscribers.
Who puts that in a game?
Wow, I was subscribed. Dude, I was subscribed to the channel. This is funny. This is some
Dude.
Oh, dude, it's our hippo.
I missed you,
Hey,
Charlie.
hippo?
Wait, dude, do you guys see this fucking figure in its
Charlie.
mouth?
Dude,
Wait,
come
come here. Do you guys see this? Come here. Come back. Fox, come here. You gotta check this out. There's like some weird fucking figure.
Inappropriate.
No, seriously, like look at it.
I'm right here, right here.
Look, do you see that, dude? It like looks
Where
like
are
a
you?
fucking
I
alien.
don't see you.
You see that?
What?
Look, there's an eye, a nose,
What?
horns, a mouth. That green figure in the middle of.
Oh gosh. Yeah, I see it, but oh gosh. Oh dear. Help.
Dude, you see that, right, Fox? You see that, right?
No.
Oh gosh.
Actually,
He's getting closer.
You don't see that,
There's a
Fox?
safe recorder there. There's a safe recorder there, but I'm ditching it. I don't know where. Yeah, I heard it. No, he's in the center. Ah, he's not behind it.
You're a pussy.
Yeah,
Okay, look for it and tell me when you see it.
don't walk too far away.
Actually,
I know, I'm just...
we can walk away from him. You do know that because we're ghosts.
He just doesn't want to lose us.
Yeah, let's ditch him, Fox. Let's ditch him. Come on.
You want to do?
Let's go. Yeah.
Oh god! He teleported right next to me.
Yeah.
What a poser.
It's his. It's his problem. Oh god, he's behind us. Run away from the human.
Oh man, humans are so ugly.
What's wrong with his hair? Stop following me, you bitch.
Oh god!
We left you guys in Balin.
Bail.
Austin, turn around.
Fuck you. Leave me alone. Stupid humans.
Why are you stalking us ghosts? Us ghosts are civilized people.
You see? Ah!
I heard you scream.
You just-
Oh, we lost.
You just hear a random scream.
Yeah.
In memory of
Walking
Captain Rex.
Scream.
2 minutes and 38 seconds.
Either way.
Dude, I screamed
Three.
0 times.
Oh, well, you're not a man.
I screamed twice.
You screamed once. Twice. You screamed more than me. Get her out. I wanna watch this.
Bailey, no. Get her out. Grab her.
Wait, what's that puzzle figure?
What?
That means we found a tape recorder.
Yeah, the puzzle pieces of the tape. Show me where. Look at.
Okay, I'm still alive, and then I ran up to him and killed myself.
No, you're dead. Yeah, because you're stupid. I was like, don't run up to a cliff, die.
What do you mean don't
And then
run
you
up
ran
to?
away from him.
Alright, let's figure out
Wait,
what,
what?
let's figure out what we doodled. Let's figure out what we doodled. What do we doodle? What do we make?
Puppy.
What do we make? What do we make?
It's
It's a clown.
Obama.
It's a clown.
Ebola.
It's a clown.
It's
a clown.
It's a boat.
Alright, YouTube, thanks for watching.
It's a bird.
It's bird. It's plane. It's Ebola.
Dude, it's